Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Saman here, your grammar teacher. Today we are going to study past perfect continuous tense. So let's start with it. What is the past perfect continuous tense? Now you can see the timeline on the screen, and it will be easy for you to learn or to understand it properly that when we use past perfect continuous, look at the description. It is used to show that an action started in the past and continued up to another point in the past. It means that the action continued for some period of time. Now here on the timeline you can see that this wave line, this shows that the action continued for some period of time and then this is ended and it is followed by another action. It means that we use past perfect continuous tense when the action continued for some period of time, then it stopped and then it is followed by the next action. Here from the example you can understand it easily. The phone had been ringing for 5 minutes. 5 मिनट के लिए फ़ोन बजता रहा था. See, this action is continued for 5 minutes. And then what happened when someone finally answered it, और फिर किसी ने आखिरकार उठा लिया. The phone had been ringing for 5 minutes when someone finally answered it. It means that we use past perfect continuous tense when we talk about the action which continued for some period of time in the past and then it is ended and it is followed by another action. And for the shorter action we are going to use simple past tense. Its Urdu identification is ta raha tha, ta rahi thi. And then for the shorter action you will use simple past tense. There is a difference between past continuous tense and past perfect continuous tense. Past continuous tense is, the Urdu identification is रहा था, रही थी, रहे थे. लेकिन हमारे पास जो past perfect continuous tense है उसकी उर्दू identification है ता रहा था, ता रही थी, ते रहे थे. Okay, now see from the example, she had been studying for 2 hours before the exam started. She had been studying for 2 hours. वो 2 घंटे से पढ़ती रही थी before the exam started. इम्तिहान शुरू होने से पहले. वो for the longer action we have used past perfect continuous, and for the shorter action, for the first action is completed and then the other action has started, so we have used simple past tense. आप past continuous tense हम तब यूज़ करते हैं जब जो longer action है वो continued रहता है और वो ख़त्म नहीं होता और उसमें वो साथ ही उसका shorter action start हो जाता है, but the longer action it continued for the period of time. लेकिन हमारे पास जो past perfect continuous tense है इसमें हमारे पास जो longer action है वो ख़त्म हो जाता है और उसके बाद फिर shorter action आता है. आपने यहाँ पे मेन डिफरेंस रखना है कि पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस और पास्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस में यही डिफरेंस है कि पास्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस इट कॉन्टीन्यूड फॉर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम और उसके बाद फिर उसमें शॉर्टर एक्शन आता है. लेकिन जो पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस है उसमें लॉन्गर एक्शन फिनिश हो जाता है और उसके बाद फिर इट इज़ फॉलोड बाय अनदर एक्शन. Okay, look at the structure of the sentence. Structure of past perfect continuous tense, we have the same structure: subject plus helping verb plus verb with ing and object. Subject is the person who does work, then we are having helping verb. Here we are having only one helping verb, that is had been, plus verb with ing. As for all the continuous tenses we use ing with the verb, first form of verb with ing, plus object. Object is on which the work is done. For example, they had been working all day. वो पूरा दिन काम करते रहे थे. They had been working all day. For the negative, you are going to use not after the helping verb, but not after been. आपने been के बाद not नहीं लगाना, had के बाद not लगाना है. Just make this point clear that we all in all the negative sentences we use not after the helping verb. चाहे उसके बाद being आ रहा है या been आ रहा है, उसके बाद हमने not नहीं लगाना होता. helping verb के बाद ही हमने not लगाना होता है. Subject plus had not been plus verb with ing plus object. He had not been feeling well. वो अच्छा महसूस नहीं करता रहा था. Interrogative, first we are having the helping verb, then subject plus been plus verb with ing and plus object. The rules are same. The rule is that we use helping verb before the subject. So we are not going to use been with the helping verb over here. This is showing that it is perfect tense. So we are not going to use had been plus subject. The structure is same, helping verb plus subject, and you will use been after the subject. Had she been reading the book? क्या वो किताब पढ़ती रही थी? Now see when to use past perfect continuous. To show the duration of a past activity, we use past perfect continuous tense for the action which continued for some period of time, or it has a duration, or it continued for some period of time in the past. For that we use past perfect continuous tense. To show that one past action happened before another, it means that it is followed by a shorter action. The longer action is followed by a shorter action, but the longer action first it finished and then the next action started. To focus on the process of an action, as this is a continuous tense and the action continued for some period of time, so it focus on the process of an action. For example, he had been driving for 5 hours when the car broke down. ही हैड बीन ड्राइविंग फॉर 5 आवर्स, वो 5 घंटे से गाड़ी चलाता रहा था जब उसकी गाड़ी ख़राब हो गई. Now for the longer action of period we have used past perfect continuous tense, and for the shorter, the other action, the second action which is followed by the first action, we have used simple past tense. The car broke down और उसकी गाड़ी ख़राब हो गई, यानी 5 घंटे गाड़ी चलाने के बाद उसकी गाड़ी ख़राब हुई. तो जो एक्शन कंटिन्यूड रहा है 5 घंटे के लिए, हमने उसके लिए पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस यूज़ किया, पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस यूज़ किया है. Now see the common time expressions that we use in past perfect continuous tense: for, since, before, when, until, by the time. These expressions show that the action continued for the duration of time, or for the time, for the specific time. We use these expressions in perfect tenses. For example, she had been sleeping for 8 hours before the alarm rang. Now see, the continued action is that she had been sleeping for 8 hours. वो 8 घंटे तक सोती रही थी जब अलार्म बजा. अलार्म बजने से पहले वो 8 घंटे तक सोती रही थी. We had been talking since morning. हम सुबह से बात करते रहे थे. We had been talking since morning. Now see the time expression. It means that for this longer period of time, since morning, the action is continued and then it ended. Now see some examples of positive, negative and interrogative sentences. I had been reading for an hour. मैं 1 घंटे तक पढ़ता रहा था. They had been playing football since noon. वो दोपहर से फुटबॉल खेलते रहे थे. They had been playing since noon. See the negative sentences. She had not been feeling well for days. वो काफ़ी दिनों तक अच्छा महसूस नहीं करती रही थी. We had not been using the app for long. हम काफ़ी अरसे से ये ऐप इस्तेमाल नहीं करते रहे थे. Interrogative sentences. Had you been waiting long? क्या तुम इंतज़ार करते रहे थे? Had they been living there before the war? क्या वो जंग से पहले यहाँ रहते रहे थे? Now see, in all these sentences I have translated these sentences so that you get to know that in Urdu its Urdu identification is ता रहा था, ता रही थी. तो अगर ये continuous होता, सिंपल past continuous tense होता, तो उसमें सिर्फ रहा था, रही थी होता. लेकिन यहाँ पे हमारे पास जो है ये perfect continuous tense है. So we are using ता रहा था. I had been reading for an hour. मैं 1 घंटे तक किताब पढ़ता रहा था. अच्छा, now let's practice these sentences. He dashed work all day before he took a break. I'm just reading it out and then in the next slide I will tell you the answers. Just solve it by yourself first. Dash you, dash before the test. Now here we are having the question mark. It means that this is an interrogative sentence. We dash not sleep well for weeks. This is again a negative sentence because we are having not over here. So let's check the answers. He had been working all day before he took a break. वो पूरा दिन काम करता रहा था before he took a break, यानी ब्रेक लेने से पहले वो पूरा दिन काम करता रहा था. Had you been studying before the test? क्या तुम टेस्ट से पहले पढ़ते रहे थे? Had you been studying before the test? We had not been sleeping well for weeks. हम कई हफ्तों से सोते नहीं रहे थे. We had not been sleeping well for weeks. Now see the summary. The summary of past continuous perfect continuous tense is that it shows duration of an action before a certain point in the past. It means that this for the actions which continued for some period of time in the past is they are followed by a certain by another past action and it is a shorter action. For that we use, for the first longer action we use past perfect continuous tense. Its structure is that we use had been plus first form of verb with ing, and the time expressions that are used in past perfect continuous tense are for, since and other time indicators. Okay, this is all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.